Smith, come on up.
Want to stand right here, Judge?
That's good. Yeah, just stand back there. Spread out as best as possible. All right, this is cause number 20105374222F. Stop State of Texas versus Jeffrey Ray Smith. Is that you, sir?
Yes.
Mr. Massard, you waive arraignment and reading of the state's indictment.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Smith, can you read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in this case. However, by entering into the deal with the state, you're waiving that right.
Yes, sir.
You understand everything you sign.
Yes, sir.
Go over everything you sign with your attorney.
Yes, sir.
In charge by way of indictment, second-degree felony offense, possession of controlled substance, which carries a range of punishment from 2 to 20 years. Knowing the range of punishment and what you're charged with, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Pleading guilty because you are guilty and no other reason.
Yes, sir.
Is anybody forcing you to do that?
No, sir.
Is there a recommendation from the state?
There is, Your Honor. The recommendation is 3 years confinement in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice Institutional Division, 180 DPS lab restitution, a $1,500 fine, court costs, and the defendant is to be given credit for 198 days served.
Is that your understanding of the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And you understand by accepting that offer, you're waiving your right to appeal. You'll have no right of appeal.
Yes, sir.
Anything from the state?
The state would offer what's been marked as State's Exhibit 1, the signed stipulation of evidence.
No objection.
States want to be admitted.
State rest,
Rest.
closed.
Closed.
Both sides have been arrested and closed. We'll find the evidence sufficient to find you guilty. We'll find you guilty. Since you're 3 years in institutional vision, there'll be a $1,500 fine along with court cost and the restitution. Any legal reason why sentence should not be pronounced at this time?
No, Your Honor.
Therefore, is the order and judgment decree of this court, you be taken by the sheriff of this county to an authorized receiving agent for a Texas Department of Criminal Justice, where you shall be confined for a period of 3 years. Your sentence shall commence today. You will get credit for your time, sir. All right. Good luck to you. Please step right over here. Mr. Lightsey. Come on up, sir. This is cause number 17903084222F, Style State of Texas versus Antonio Lightsey. Is that you, sir? Mr. Massard, do you waive arraignment and reading of the state's motion?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Lightsey, can you read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a hearing before the judge down in the 422nd. However, by entering into the deal with the state, you're waiving that right.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand everything you signed?
Yes, sir.
Go over everything you signed with your attorney.
Yes, sir.
You were originally placed on 10 years deferred probation back in, it's just Chitty's right, 2018.
Yes, sir.
Since that time, the state has filed a motion to adjudicate your guilt on your first-degree felony offense, which carries a range of punishment from 5 to 99 or life. Since that time, the state has filed a motion. Did you go over that motion with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
To the allegations contained in that motion, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
You doing that on your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a recommendation from the state?
There is, Your Honor. The recommendation is 5 years confinement in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice Institutional Division, all balances owed on his probation, and he's to be given credit for 840 days served.
Is that your understanding of the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
You understand by accepting that offer, you're waiving your right to appeal. You'll have no right of appeal.
Yes, sir.
Anything from the state?
The state would ask the court to take judicial notice of the entire contents of the file, including the signed judicial confession.
No objection.
Court will take judicial notice.
Say yes.
Yes.
Close.
Close.
Both sides have no rest to close. We'll find the evidence sufficient to find you guilty. We'll find you guilty. Sentence you to 5 years in institutional division, then there'll be the balance of fine and court cost. Any legal reason why sentence cannot be pronounced at this time?
No, Your Honor.
Therefore, is the order and judgment decree of this court. You be taken by the sheriff of this county to an authorized receiving agent for the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, where you shall be confined for a period of 5 years. Your sentence shall commence today. You will get credit for the time that you have served so far. We're off the record. Good luck to you. Please step right over here, sir.
Good luck, Ms. Dillon.
Maybe she John.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
People change in it.
Yeah, it is.
It's slimy and it smells like.